Hello from Slovenia again. I will use this, now I know what it's called. It's a gravy boat, and yesterday I poured on this side and it went to two sides, or how can I say two? It poured like it is. So, and today I will use this side and I will do a straight pouring pour. I don't know. I will just remove my spinner and canvas. I have 16 by 16 inch canvas today, and I did add one color to the color palette, and this is Decoart Extreme Sheen Deep Sapphire. I am using this for the first time, and I got it from Doris at DF Designs. Thank you, Doris. So let me put this on the place that you will see best, maybe. And I will pour my paints a little different today. I will start with the puddle of sapphire, and this is Opera Rose, and I will pour like that. And permanent red violet, and indigo, and titanium white, and Pebeo iridescent precious gold. I'm working on 16 by 16 inch canvas, so I will just add the puddle of those colors here in the middle where I will start pouring, because I will need quite a lot of paint. a lot of interesting details that probably are not visible on camera, so I will take you down for a close-up. So here is a close-up, and this is definitely one of those paintings that camera doesn't do it justice, because all those wonderful lines, and I kind of like this tree looking thing and a lightening almost here, and some light coming through here and here. See all those lines. And this is the part that I had to tilt the middle thing off because I just didn't like it. So sorry if I was a little off camera sometimes, but so definitely a little different result. It happened what I was afraid of, that this sapphire will be dominant, but I think that it will dry really nice. So I will definitely try something else tomorrow with this gravy boat, and see you tomorrow if you are interested. Bye.